Welcome back to a new vlog and welcome to my family holiday. I thought I'd film a day in the life here because I still have a dissertation to write. I'm getting my second jab today. I think we're going to the beach. I don't really know what's going on. Either way, I need to write some of my thesis.
At this point, I'm numb. There's no feelings.
I'm currently staying in the Essex countryside, just in an Airbnb with my parents, and it's very quiet. There's nothing here. I'll do a 360 of the garden. I need to go upstairs, get changed and get on with work, so I'll see you in a bit. That day I was focusing on the results section of my thesis, but before I actually really got on with it, I did have a crumpet for breakfast. I love crumpets and I kind of want to know what you have on your crumpets. Wow, I've not been on YouTube for a month and this is my comeback. I also did do some YouTube admin. As you can see, this is me uploading a video, which I haven't done since then, whoops, and also filling in my thesis logbook. This is my outfit for the day. I got the shirt from Pull & Bear. It's really nice. Sometimes I wear it open with something underneath, but today I just thought I'd like half tuck it in. I just dropped one of my rings in the dirt and I have absolutely no idea where it went. My jeans are Collusion from ASOS and they fit really nicely, and my shoes Pick 3. My shoes is Adidas Gazelles. Very like, is this 80s or 90s? I genuinely don't know. Video's uploaded now, I've done the thumbnail, so it is time to get on with writing my dissertation.
Okay.
Here's me studying by a nice little window. I just spent most of the time actually getting distracted by the trees moving, but it is what it is.
It is what it is!
Right, it is jab time, and I'm also going to change my outfit because it's gotten really warm outside and I'm currently wearing jeans. I keep needing my inhaler in this house as well, so if I sound out of breath, it's because I am. It's quite dusty and I'm allergic to dust.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. Time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even.
Currently in Maldon, just walking down the promenade by Promenade Park, having a look at the estuary, just walking, and we're gonna go see a statue. Apparently there was a battle here. I probably know that as an archaeology student, but I didn't.
I say with a million things I can't erase. Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
face down.
Have you heard of a black-tailed godwit?
I'm in my comfies, and by comfies I mean my Louis Tomlinson jumper.
Why do you act like that?
We had a barbecue night that night, so whilst the barbecue heated up and everything got ready, I got on with my dissertation again. I don't normally like to work at night because, well, I mean, I value my mental health, but also because it's dark and it strains your eyes. However, I had hardly done anything during the day because I was out all day having fun. It was a family holiday, you know. I'm not going to work all day, but I did work pretty much from about 8 p.m. to like midnight and then slept in. I did not get up early the next morning. Anyway, that was the end of my day. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I know it was a little bit short and not a whole lot happened, but I'm getting back into the swing now of editing everything that I've got left over from throughout summer and from handing in my thesis. I got back from Germany 2 days ago and basically it was the best 5 weeks, but I did not get a chance to sit down really at all. And with that, I will see you in my next video, hopefully next week at the same time. That is me making a promise. Bye guys!